Good morning. Got rained out this last week, so I decided to take advantage of the downtime and do a little work on this trailer. I bought some LED lights that you can plug in and replace because it's got a dovetail on this trailer, and the back lights always get knocked out, as you can see this one did. So I want to replace those. And it also doesn't have any real good tie downs, so I bought 8 of these 3/4 inch D-rings. I'm gonna grind all this out, clean it up, weld these heavy duty D-rings on. Probably gonna do 4 down each side, 1 on every corner, and then 2 in the middle. That should give me plenty of spots to tie down. And yeah, just do a little cleaning up on it, and then if the weather holds out, I'll probably give it a quick paint job. So just give it a little facelift for this trailer that I think will be perfect for hauling stuff behind the log truck or even behind my pickup, because it's got electric brakes. And yeah, guess we'll get to her. I got all the D-rings welded on, and I did 2 on the corners. Welded these around. This is the old welds. I probably should cap that one. It looks kind of ugly, but welded all of the D-rings on. And then I had an extra one that I had in my scrap bin. It's an older one. I put that on the middle just for, so you had something if you had to tie down like a V shape or something, or a weird angle. So pretty happy with how that turned out. And then let's see, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. I thought about mounting that receiver right here for a winch, but it really looks kind of trashy. Also ground off whatever they had welded on there a long time ago. Well, it's getting to the end of the evening now. Didn't quite get as much done as I was anticipating, but I'm pretty happy with what I did today. I got the receiver, I ended up welding it right here, and then I used that square tubing I was thinking about putting here, and I welded it as a strong back. And so I'm pretty happy with this, because then the winch or whatever, you know, it can slide in right here, and it won't be sticking, you know, 1.5 feet out, wasting all that deck space. So I'm happy with that. Got all this nonsense cut off the front, and looks pretty doggone good. The D-rings are all welded on. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So I got lots of places to tie down every corner. More tie downs than I think I'll need, but that's the way it always goes, is you always wish you had more. I got my coffee, got the trailer hooked up to the log truck. The winch is hooked up, chains and binders in the trailer, all ready to go. It's gonna be a start to a really fun day.